So this presentation is presented to Professor Dr. Engineer A.K.M. Masoom, Professor of Daffodil International University, and the presentation is presented by Miftal Islam Mahin, Arif Imtiaz Rakib, Farooq Khan Ratul, Sabia Suraya Putul, Meherin Mithi. So let's move on to the presentation. So first of all, introduction to the hotel reservation system. A hotel reservation system is an online platform designed to help travelers book hotel rooms efficiently according to their preferences. With the increasing reliance on digital tools for booking travel accommodations, these systems aims to provide a seamless, user-friendly experience for both travelers and hotel managers. Now talk about key features. Key features of hotel reservation system. So first of all, room availability check. The system enables users to check room availability in real time by entering specific search criteria, such as the check-in and check-out dates, the location of the hotel, and the room type. This ensures that users can easily see what rooms are available for their desired dates, which is critical for both user satisfaction and business efficiency. Next to book management. Once users find the perfect room, they can proceed to book it. Our system allows them to confirm bookings, cancel reservations, or even modify details like dates or room type. After the initial booking is made, this flexibility is important for travelers who may need to adjust their plans at the last minute. So let's move on to payment integration. To make the booking process smooth and secure, we have integrated the Stripe API, a highly secure payment gateway. It allows users to make payments using a variety of methods like credit cards, debit cards, etc., and ensures that sensitive information is encrypted and protected during the transaction. This integration also handles payment status and such as successful payments and payment failures or refunds. And lastly, customer feedback. After their stay, customers can provide ratings and feedback on their experience. This feature not only helps other travelers make informed decisions when booking, but also provides valuable insights for hotel managers to improve their services. So let's move on to the next slide. Well, now I'll talk about requirement gathering and analysis. Script. Importance of requirement gathering. Okay, requirement gathering is the first step in ensuring that the system we develop addresses the real world problems of the users. It is important to gather both functional and non-functional requirements early in the process, as this shapes the design, development, and testing phases of the project. Without properly understanding what our users need, we risk building a product that doesn't solve their problems or meet their expectations. By gathering detailed requirements, we can clearly define the system features and capabilities, align the system functionality with business goals, identify potential challenges and risks early on, make the development process smoother, reducing the need for major changes later. Now I will discuss about the methods used for requirement gathering. To ensure we gathered accurate and comprehensive requirements, we used several approaches. First of all, stakeholder interviews. We conducted in-depth interviews with key stakeholders such as hotel managers, travelers to understand their expectation and pain points. For instance, hotel managers emphasized the importance of having an easy to use interface to manage room availability and bookings, while travelers wanted a simple and quick booking experience with secure payment options. These interviews allowed us to directly ask stakeholders about specific features they wanted, like room search filters, the ability to manage bookings, and feedback functionality. Survey and questionnaires. To gather more insights from potential users, we sent out surveys and questionnaires to a broader audience of travelers. This service helped us identify common booking preferences such as need for flexible payment methods, room reviews, and ease of navigation. We also ask travelers what kind of hotel information they prioritize when booking, such as room availability, amenities, price. The responses helped prioritize the features we needed to develop and ensure the system was user centered. Now, the next is competitive analysis. We also performed a competitive analysis by reviewing existing hotel reservation systems. This allowed us to identify gaps in the market and areas where we could improve on current offerings. For example, many existing systems had completed booking processes or lacked robust payment security. So we made it a point to ensure our system was both simple to use and highly secure. And by using these methods, we were able to capture a detailed set of requirements that guided that entire development process. The key takeaway here is that engaging with both users and stakeholders early on was instrumental in creating a system that truly addressed their needs. So that's all from me, and now I would like to invite my next presenter, please.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am MDO Farooq Khan. My ID is 242353338. Now let's talk about the non-functional requirements for the hotel reservation system. Non-functional requirements are about how the system works, not just what it does. These are important to make sure the system runs smoothly and meets user needs. Firstly, performance. The system should be able to handle up to 1,000 users at the same time without slowing down. Security. Protecting user information is very important. All data, especially payment details, must be kept safe using encryption. Usability. The system should be simple and easy to use with a design that works well on mobile phones on other devices. Scalability. The system should be ready to grow so it can support more hotels, features, and users in the future. Now let's look at the next slide. System architecture of hotel reservation system. The system is built using the client server model, which makes sure everything works smoothly, efficiently. Here is how it's structured. Client. This is what the user interact with the website or app. It is built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to make it easy user friendly and visually appealing. Server. This is where the system does the heavy lifting. It's powered by PHP, MySQL to process requests, manage data, and store information securely. Payment gateway. For secure and seamless payment transaction, we are using Stripe, which ensures that payment details are processed safely. On this slide, you will see a high level diagram that shows how this part works together. The client communicates with the server to send and receive information. The server handles requests, talks to the database, and ensures the system runs smoothly. The Stripe API takes care of payment processing securely and efficiently. These architectures ensures that the system is reliable, responsible, and secure for users. Let's move on the next slide topic. Now let's take a closer look at database design of the hotel reservation system. The database is the backbone of the system as it stores and organizes all the information needed for smooth operation. So I have designed it with our main four tables. Users. This table keeps track of user details such as their user ID, name, email, and password. It helps manage users' account securely. Hotels. This table stores information about the hotels, including the hotel ID, name, location, and room details, ensuring users can easily find and book accommodations. Bookings. This is the central table for tracking reservations. It includes fields like booking ID, user ID, hotel ID, and payment status, linking users with the hotel they book, feedback. To capture user reviews and ratings, this table stores data like feedback ID, user ID, hotel ID, and comments. This helps hotels improve their services. On this slide, you also see an entity relationship diagram that shows how these tables are connected. The users table links bookings feedback through the user ID. The hotels connects to bookings and feedbacks through the hotel ID. This design ensures all data is organized, accessible, and well connected, making the system efficient. Thank you. Now I am inviting my next presenter to continue this presentation.
Please turn on the mic.
আমি এই ভুলটা Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Mithi and today our presentation topic is restaurant reservation system. Firstly, I am talking about Scrum in action. Scrum in action focuses on completing tasks in a structured way through 4 sprints. In sprint 1, the team works on requirement analysis and UI UX design, producing deliverables like ORFM and a functional requirement document. Sprint 2 involves setting up the backend and database, delivering user authentication and card functionalities. In Sprint 4, the focuses shift to integrating a payment gateway and booking system with Stripe integration and a fully functional booking system as deliverables. Finally, Sprint 4 emphasizes testing and feedback integration, ensuring all bugs are fixed and a robust feedback system is in place. Let's move to the next slide. Now I am talking about the sprint board. The sprint board is a tool used to manage and track the processes of tasks during a sprint. It is divided into 3 sections: backlog, in process, and done. The backlog includes tasks that are planned by but not yet started, such as integrating the search functionality and user logging. The in process progress section lists tasks that the team is actively working on. For example, for payment integration is currently being developed. Finally, the done section shows completed tasks, such as the room detail space, which has already been finalized. To ensure efficient management and smooth workflow, the team uses Jira, a popular tool for sprint tracking and task organization. Jira helps keep the team on track and provides a clear view of task statuses at every stage of the sprint. Next slide, please. Now, lastly, I talking about overview of different types of software testing. Firstly, unit testing. This involves testing in individual components or modules of a system, like user authentication or booking functions. Secondly, integration testing. This ensures that different modules work together seamlessly, such as checking if the booking system integrates properly with the payment gateway. Thirdly, usability testing. This focuses on checking whether the system is user friendly and easy to navigate. Performance testing. This ensures the system can handle high traffic of and work efficiently under heavy loads. That's all for me. Now I would like to invite my next team member.
Next slide, please. Hello, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Arif Imtiaz, Department of Software Engineering, Daffodil International University. My last 3 digit of ID is 339. So today I'll talk about the overview of testing, and I will explain the testing we did for the hotel reservation system. First, unit testing. Unit testing, we tested small parts of the system one by one. For example, we checked if booking works properly and if login works without errors. Secondly, integration testing. After testing small parts, we checked if they work well together. For example, we made sure booking connects smoothly with the payment system. Usability testing, we gave a system to 10 people and asked them to try it. They told us what was easy and what was hard. We used their advice to make the system simple and easy to use. And at last, for performance testing, we tested how many people can use the system at the same time. We worked fine with 500 users at once, and it was still fast. So please come to the next slide. So overview of testing. We use we use a tool called PHP unit to test the part of our backward system. For example, we test the booking part to make sure it works right. We check it handles booking correctly, checking users input and manages dates well. This helps us find and fix any small issue early. Next, we have integration testing. Here, we made sure different parts of our system work all together. For example, we check if the booking system and the payment part work smoothly. We make sure that when a payment is successful, the booking status update correctly. So, um, please next to the come to the next slide. So, usability testing. We wanted to see if our system is easy for users to use. So we asked 10 people to try out our system. These people gave us feedback on our experience. On their experience, from their feedback, we found out that the registration process was a bit hard. So we made a change to make it simple, and this helped us to make sure that our system is user friendly. Now tell about the performance testing. We wanted to check it if our system can handle many users at the same time. For this, we use a tool called Apache JMeter. With this tool, we tested how our system work when many people use it at the same time. This test showed that our system can handle 500 users at the same time, and we did this with a very little delay. This means our system is strong, and we can handle high traffic. In short, usability testing help us to make our system easy to use. Performance testing showed that our system can handle many users at the same time. So thank you. I will invite my next presenter.
Hello everyone, I am Sabia Suraya, a software engineering student at Daffodil International University. Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity to represent our presentation. My ID now is 2423531. The system was deployed on AWS EC2 for scalability and secured with SSL certificates for domain safety, and automated CI or CD pipeline using GitHub Actions streamed development process. The maintenance plans includes regular updates for security patches and feature enhancements, monitoring tools like Google Analytics for user behaviors, and AWS CloudWatch for cyber health ensure system reliability. Continuous users feedback collection helps improve the system further. Future scope. Firstly, adding multiple supports, and secondly, integration the global travel booking platforms. In conclusion, uh, comprehensive requirements gathering ensured the design focused on methodology enable flexible iterative development. Robust testing ensured a reliable, high performance system. So that's all, everyone. Thank you all.